will become. And I know about this because I had the opportunity to stand on top of the Olympic podium and feel the weight of that gold medal around my neck. And I wouldn't have been there.
Artificial intelligence is rapidly evolving, bringing lifelike human animations closer to reality. One such breakthrough is OmniHuman-1, an AI framework by ByteDance, the parent company of TikTok. This technology has the potential to transform digital content creation from education to cinema. This review explores its capabilities, features, and implications in AI-driven video generation. What is OmniHuman-1? OmniHuman-1 generates realistic human motion and speech from minimal input, such as a single image and an audio sample. It integrates images, audio, body poses, and text descriptions for precise motion synthesis. Trained on 19,000 hours of video footage, it seamlessly animates still frames into dynamic sequences. Key features: single image to video animation, generates a speaking, gesturing subject from just one image and an audio track, syncing lip movements, gestures, and body language. Multiple motion inputs, animates using audio-driven inputs for speech gestures and lip sync or video-driven animation for replicating motion. Users can combine inputs for enhanced realism, adaptive aspect ratios, and body proportions. Unlike earlier models limited to portrait formats, OmniHuman-1 adapts to various aspect ratios and body types, making it suitable for diverse media projects. Style adaptations, supports photorealism, cartoon-like animations, stylized figures, and even anthropomorphic characters, catering to gaming, virtual influencers, and creative filmmaking. Technical foundations: Diffusion Transformer, DIT, combines diffusion models with transformer architecture, ensuring detailed facial features and global body movement accuracy. Omni Conditions Training uses a blend of strong and weak signals, pose data, audio, text prompts to retain more training data, improving versatility. 19,000-hour dataset ensures resilience to unusual poses and camera angles, supporting a wide range of motion patterns. Performance metrics: OmniHuman-1 outperforms many AI animation methods. Lip sync, accuracy 5.255, competitive with CyberHost. Freshe, video distance, FVD 15.906, high realism. Gesture expressiveness, HKV 47.561, natural animation. Hand key point, confidence, HKC 0.898, precise hand movements. Applications: education and storytelling. Animates historical figures or fictional characters, making learning more immersive. Virtual presence enhances virtual and augmented reality with personalized avatars that mimic real-life gestures and expressions. Content creation supports filmmakers, marketers, and content creators in generating realistic digital avatars and animated clips effortlessly. Limitations and future directions: low-resolution inputs can lead to blurry facial details or unnatural poses. Complex motion sequences may struggle with intricate or acrobatic movements. Computational demand: high resource requirements may limit accessibility. Despite these challenges, OmniHuman-1's potential is vast. As the technology advances, ethical considerations around AI-generated deepfakes must be addressed. With responsible development, OmniHuman-1 could revolutionize digital content across industries. Conclusion: OmniHuman-1 marks a significant leap in AI video generation. Its ability to animate a single image with natural motion and speech showcases the power of advanced AI. While ethical concerns remain, responsible deployment could reshape education, entertainment, and digital interactions.